All right, back again. Today I'm going to show you how to put the shifter in C6. So, like I was saying before in my other videos, there's a centering pinhole. So here's the shifter, the base, and so you have I have a Allen key that's the size of the hole, and then there's a hole inside on this shaft that lines up here. So when you put this in, this shifter will not move and it's centered. And then you can attach the shift rod that goes to the transmission here, and there's like a half moon where the bolt goes through, and then you get your two bolts. So if you have this in here, this will sit on the holes in the correct spot, and then you can tighten it down, and then you know you're centered correctly. And this is a core shifter. I like it. It's slightly less. You would think it's longer, and it was like a long throw, but it's not. It's real easy. And for any vibration, since there's no damper, I just put a decent amount of Teflon tape on the threads, and there's no vibration whatsoever with that. So I'll go ahead and get this set up in the car. So here's the torque tube and the shift rod's right here, and the base of the shifter. So the base of the shifter here, see that little rubber piece on the bottom? When you drop it in, that's going to sit inside of here. Then you got your two bolts, and that's what's just going to hold it from moving around on you. All right, so I got the half moon lined up in there. I got the bolt in there. It's not tight yet. And then I have these mounting screws here. And as you can see, you would know, I mean, since this came on the car, you can kind of see where the bolt was scratching it before when it was tightened down, and it lines up. So it's in the right spot. But also I still have this in here, which keeps me from moving it. So it is in the center. So all I got to do is tighten these three down, and I can just start putting it back. All right, now that I got all the bolts tight, I got that pin out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it. And then after that, as far as that goes, then you have these covers here. Only goes on one way. The wires I have in here, I have a button on my shifter. Used to be for nitrous, but no longer do I use that. So the button is used for a two-step. So I just had, that's what these here are for when I hook it back up.